Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for a Teachable affiliate account. So if you are wanting to promote Teachable and earn an affiliate commission every time someone clicks on your link, this is how you sign up for it. So you want to make sure to head over to Teachablecom and scroll all the way down to the bottom of their website, and then head over to Become an Affiliate. From here, this is going to be their affiliate website, which is separate from the actual Teachable teacher-student website. So it says here, can we send you a check every month? Earn ongoing monthly income by joining the free Teachable affiliate program. So you want to click sign up. You can also read more about it. They're offering 30% commission on a 90-day cookie. A cookie means that when someone clicks on your link, they will be cookied for 90 days. So if someone clicks on that link, your link, and within 90 days they sign up for a Teachable paid account, then you will earn a 30% commission. So when you're ready to sign up, click sign up, and then you want to just fill out all of your information. Alright, once you've filled out everything, you want to hit submit application. Alright, from here, it's going to say, thanks for your application. Our affiliate team is reviewing your application and we will let you know our decision shortly. So that was it. I would give it a couple days, maybe 2 to 3 business days or so. And if they don't respond, then hit up their email here, affiliates@teachable.com. Find out about your application. So that is how you apply for the Teachable affiliate program. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.